Look at all those presents!
Yay! Say happy birthday, Teddy!
Happy birthday, Teddy!
What was that? High five, high five, high five.
High five! You'll need to be good at reading for this.
Face paint.
Yeah! What's that cheeky elf doing?
I know what it is.
Do ya?
Thank you. It's that Lego thing. Oh! A tie.
I think it's a snow leopard.
Ah, it's so cute. What are you going to call him?
Snowy.
Yeah, Forto. Oh.
Oh, no. Yeah.
What about Leppy?
Yeah. And his middle name can be Spotty.
Oh yeah. So do you like it? She picked that.
I love it.
We ran wild through every season. Lit a fire to warm the world. A love so easy to believe in. You say it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Teddy's 5th birthday and he is in school and he is completely oblivious to the fact that me and Jake have just driven across the country to pick up a birthday present for him.
Waking up inside your arms.
Nobody knows that we've done this. We've done this in secret. And how many weeks ago would you say we bought this present? 6. So we are here and we are about to go in and pick up Teddy's present and we will reveal what it is in a minute. We've just picked up Teddy's present. Do you think this? Guess what it is? It's not a baby. It's not a baby.
Every light that's faded once burned so bright we chased
It's our
it
new baby.
farther than we ever thought we could go. Even when time's changing, you're the one I've waited all my life to get.
Hello, Papa. Guess what? Guess what we've got? Look what Mummy's got. Lazy, isn't it? See it?
She's not seeing. She's
Oh,
gonna be
you're
sad.
looking out the window.
So we've just got home now. Jake's mum and dad are picking him up from school and bringing him home. And oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Susie's like the tiniest little thing I've ever seen. Like she's smaller than what I think Maisie was when I got Maisie. Maisie's fine, like I was dead worried about her, but she's like absolutely fine. But like so strange. I'm like this at the blinds, waiting for him. Come on, Teddy.
Yeah, come on, you. Right, let's tell the audience, then record so no one else talk, okay? Yep. We got you one more present,
Yeah.
but you've got to spell it. Okay? So I'll give you the letters and you tell me what it says, okay? S. O. S. E. F. Susie. Susie.
Even when time's changing, you're the one I've waited all my life to get to know. How could I ever? Every chased it.